All right, and with the interview ending, I want to know: do you want to give any shout outs to anyone? Because I know you've been around. You might have a lot of them to say, but
A lot of them.
who you want to give a shout out to?
Yeah, my every painter out there right now,
Mm-hmm.
you know, that has that passion to learn and to create and to do whatever. But I'm gonna thank God first.
Okay.
Without Him, you know, it's hard not to. You gotta make time for Him because we don't. I'll tell you,
Right.
you know, are you a Christian?
Yes.
I am too.
Yes.
You know, I'm a born again Christian.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not a perfect Christian, but
Same here.
you know what I mean?
Right.
You know, so my family,
Mm-hmm.
my dad, you know, and all my customers, man. There's just too many.
Right. Understandable. Long time in the game.
Man. You know, I still get guys calling me 20 years later. Sal, how you been? How you doing? Especially now that I have my strokes.
Mm-hmm.
I have guys that are just loyal, man. You know, and it's just sometimes I forget that, you know, because I don't like nothing from no one.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean?
Right.
I'm just grateful to do what I do, and grateful that I how do you say became friends too. A lot of my customers became friends.
Mm-hmm.
I really don't have friends. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Right.
Like
Right.
like how we go to a place and because we're in this lowrider world.
Right.
You know, there are people that have their lowrider world and then their family.
Exactly.
This has always been my family. Every single. Do you understand what I'm trying to get at?
Yeah.
You know, that's why it's hard for me to. I thank everybody, man. Everybody that's in that loves this. You know, but yeah, there's quite a bit of guys. Mark, I'll tell you real quick. Mark Pyle,
Mm-hmm.
that guy's always been straight up and incredible customer. He's family to me. You know, of course Mercado. You know, Jose Sendejas is another guy from Lifestyle. Always been, you know, incredible guy. There's guys that call me up. There's a bunch of people that sometimes call me. Luckily, I haven't had no calls. I'm shocked. You know, but they just want to know how I'm doing. We don't talk about cars. A lot of them.
We always check on good people.
Yeah.
Always, and you're a good person.
Thank
you.
you.
Gotta look out.
Yeah.
Gotta look out.
But yeah, I'm telling you, it's been a great run. Hopefully I don't die soon. Because, you know, I'll be honest with you, I sometimes feel that, you know, because of 4 strokes, that's a lot, man.
Right, right.
You know, and sometimes I don't talk to God as much as I should.
Mm-hmm.
But I know my my angel. We all have angels, man. You know that.
Mm-hmm.
I think he pushes me like, hey, dude, we gotta go, man. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yeah. Yeah.
You know.
Wow.
And I'm being serious about that. You know. So yeah. But I had some pretty good. Well, I shouldn't pretty good. I had some serious uh, afterlife, you can say, situations.
Okay.
Did I say that right?
Yeah.
You know,
like an afterlife experience.
Yeah. It's hard for me to talk about, bro. But just remember one thing. We're in this world. We don't, you know, you got to thank God a lot for what we have because there's other people in this world that will never see a lowrider, but will never see something like what we created. So you got to, really, you got to be thankful for everything. We forget, but it's true, man.
Right.
You know what I mean?
You're right. Understand. You got to be good to people while you're here.
Yeah.
Do the best you can.
Yeah.
Jeez. Well, it was a pleasure and an honor to interview you, Sal. I appreciate you coming through and even being on the channel with me. And when I go to San Diego, I'm going to call you.
Oh, yeah.
So we could go to TJ.
Love Mexico.
But thank you, and I appreciate it.
Yeah, love you,
everybody. Sal Manzano, Toxxic Rides. Thank you, sir.